Welcome to our roundup of the best 8K drone options available right now. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast, a travel vlogger, or just love capturing breathtaking cinematic footage from the skies, we've selected top-rated drones that combine stunning 8K video quality, intelligent flight control, and powerful performance. Each drone in this list offers incredible stability, long battery life, and advanced safety features to ensure smooth and worry-free flying. We'll explore their camera capabilities, GPS accuracy, range, flight time, and smart controls to help you find the ideal drone for your adventures. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Now, let's take off with our first pick. The first on the list is the JGRC P7 Max. This drone is a powerhouse for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering true 8K ultra-high-definition video capture that delivers crisp, lifelike aerial footage. Equipped with a premium 3-axis mechanical gimbal, the P7 Max ensures incredible stability even during strong winds, making it perfect for cinematic shots and high-quality projects. With GPS intelligent flight control, this drone maintains precise positioning, allowing for accurate hovering and smooth automated paths such as follow me, waypoint, and orbit modes. These functions make it easy to shoot complex aerial scenes with minimal effort. The P7 Max also features a long-lasting battery that provides up to 40 minutes of continuous flight on a single charge, so you can focus more on filming and less on battery swaps. Overall, the JGRC P7 Max offers an impressive combination of stability, camera performance, and reliability, making it a top-tier choice for anyone serious about aerial videography. Next up is the WDS Zcam YF V168 Max drone, a professional-grade model built to deliver smooth performance and premium imaging quality. This drone's 8K dual-camera system captures detailed landscapes and wide-angle perspectives simultaneously, ensuring no moment goes unseen. Its electronically stabilized lens maintains clarity even during rapid maneuvers or windy conditions. Designed for precision and control, the V168 Max features optical flow and dual GPS positioning, allowing for flawless hovering and accurate navigation. This gives pilots confidence whether flying in tight urban spaces or open fields. Battery performance is equally impressive, offering around 35 minutes of flight time, while its powerful brushless motors enhance lift efficiency and extend overall lifespan. Overall, the WDS Zcam YF V168 Max is ideal for creators seeking dependable flight stability, sharp visuals, and effortless control. Next, we have the KBDFA SG901 Max, an excellent balance of portability and power for those who want premium performance without breaking the bank. This model is equipped with an 8K Ultra HD wide-angle camera that captures rich details and vibrant colors, perfect for both professional footage and personal use. Its smart GPS-assisted flight system ensures stable positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality, giving beginners and seasoned pilots peace of mind during long-distance flights. The SG901 Max also offers gesture photo and video recording, so you can capture creative shots hands-free. Its durable brushless motors guarantee consistent performance, while the intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes of flight per charge. Overall, the SG901 Max offers remarkable value with its combination of portability, smart controls, and impressive 8K video clarity. Coming up next, we have the Xiaomi S156 drone, a feature-rich performer that brings cutting-edge technology and intelligent control to every flight. The S156 stands out with its true 8K HDR camera, capturing stunningly clear images and cinematic-grade video that rival professional drones at a fraction of the cost. With 5G real-time image transmission, it delivers ultra-smooth, low-latency live feeds straight to your smartphone, allowing you to preview and adjust shots instantly. The drone features multi-GPS positioning, ensuring precise stability and automatic path correction, even in challenging environments. Its long-lasting battery supports up to 40 minutes of flight time, giving ample opportunity for creative shots. Overall, the Xiaomi S156 offers high-end features, intelligent design, and exceptional video quality, making it an outstanding drone for both professionals and hobbyists. The last one on our list is the LS-S2S Mini drone, a compact yet mighty performer perfect for those who want portability and advanced imaging in a small package. Despite its size, it features a high-resolution 8K dual-camera setup capable of capturing crisp, cinematic footage from multiple angles. With optical flow positioning and GPS dual-mode stability, it maintains precise hovering and smooth flight even in moderate wind conditions. The drone's foldable design makes it extremely travel-friendly, fitting easily in a small bag, while its robust battery delivers up to 28 minutes of flight time per charge. Users will appreciate intelligent flight features like follow me, trajectory flight, and gesture control, which make it easy to create creative, automated shots without needing expert piloting skills. Overall, the LSS-2S mini drone delivers outstanding 8K image quality, reliable flight performance, and exceptional convenience, making it a perfect choice for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who loves capturing life from new perspectives. So, that wraps up our list of the best 8K drones you can get right now. If this video helped you find your next drone, please give it a like, subscribe for more detailed tech roundups, and check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your camera in the sky.